Hey Vector, what's the weather?
30 degrees and snowing.
Alexa, turn up the heat to 75. Alexa, remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Hey Vector, want to play blackjack?
17. Another card.
Hit me.
26. You busted.
Alexa, add Beat the Dealer to my shopping list.
I added Beat the Dealer to your shopping list.
Hey Vector, go home. Alexa, turn the lights off.
The new LUXCOMS RGB soft mousepad is a world-class combination of best practices in creating peripherals for gamers. Micro-textured waterproof cloth surface. Natural rubber bottom is slide resistant, highly durable, and stable. Power off memory. Plug and play. No driver required. 9 lighting modes. This unique style and combination pad will enhance your gameplay experience and enable you to take your gaming to the next level. Introducing LUXCOMS.
We each have different things we do to feel secure. But can your bat reassure you all the windows are closed? Can the broomstick keep an eye on the family room? Can your dog text you if the front door opens? Scout can. Meet Scout, a new breed of home security. It's not a one-size-fits-all world. Your needs in your home are unique. Scout is a security system designed to be as flexible as you are. It's built to fit your needs and lifestyle. Scout is simple to set up, contract-free, and easy to expand. So as your needs change, it's right there with you. Scout's app keeps you protected and connected at all times. You can arm and disarm the system remotely, grant access to your trusted network, and personalize Scout to monitor almost anything in your home. Scout stays up and running under any condition, even if the power goes out. And if you feel safer leaving it to professionals, Pro monitoring is available. Feel more secure on your terms. Scout, a new breed of home security.
All work and no play leave your dog bored, frustrated, and anxious. Like kids, your dog needs exercises and your company. So what should you do when you know that you need to spend all day working hard? And what's the best way to offer your dog the fun, stimulating, and exciting exercise that she needs? Well, we have an easy and super exciting answer to these questions. Now meet Wickedbone, a bone-shaped interactive gaming device that performs like a truly smart, fun, and wonderfully wicked companion of your dog. It couldn't be more exciting, really. Wickedbone is really easy to use. Just download the Wickedbone app and connect via Bluetooth, and you can start playing with your dog. Move it with its virtual joystick. Wickedbone feels just like any other video game. Wickedbone's 9 preset motions are able to constantly keep your dog highly focused. The interactive mode is perfect for the moments when you're busy doing something important. When the interactive mode is activated, it is wired to guide your dog to play with it. Wickedbone acts responsively to different types of touch based on its original emotional system, always in a playful manner that keeps up with your dog's mood and reactions. Wickedbone lets you choose or set different modes to play indoors and outdoors. And you could even play it without looking at your phone. The FDA class material of Wickedbone's body, cover, and the tires are certified, safe for humans and pets. Charged once for 1 hour, Wickedbone lasts for 40 minutes in the drive mode, over 4 hours in the interactive mode, and 3 months in sleep mode. The replaceable tires are easy to clean and quick to put together. Simple, smart, efficient, and wickedly fun. Wickedbone makes exciting days of health, happiness, and play be only one click away from you and your dog.
This is the Puck Plus, the universal wireless Bluetooth 4.0 MIDI interface for musicians who make music with an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Yes, Bluetooth means wireless, and thanks to Apple's Bluetooth MIDI connectivity in iOS 8 and OS X Yosemite, it's fast and stable, and enables multiple simultaneous connections. The Puck Plus supports both USB or 5-pin MIDI connections, enabling any MIDI controller to wirelessly connect to apps on your iPhone or iPad and DAWs on your Mac in an easy-to-use device. Chances are you have more than one MIDI controller, so give each a Puck Plus and simultaneously connect them all to your iPhone or iPad or Mac. If you haven't already noticed, iPads and iPhones aren't exactly the easiest to connect cables to, and newer Macs have fewer physical ports to hook up your gear. The Puck Plus connects to your controller and sends MIDI to your app or workstation just like you used to send MIDI over a 5-pin cable or USB. Not only that, but the Puck Plus can also power most low-drawing USB controllers. Bluetooth MIDI is a major technology leap for musicians, and the Puck Plus takes those advantages and makes it easy for players to use the Apple tech that they love. And once you experience how simple and reliable the Puck Plus's wireless performance is, you'll wonder why you had to put up with wires for so long. The Puck Plus. It's wireless MIDI made easy.